Picture this. You're out enjoying a beautiful winter day, maybe skating, ice fishing, or just exploring the great outdoors. Suddenly, the unthinkable happens. The ice beneath you cracks and gives way. You're plunged into freezing water, and panic sets in. Falling through ice is one of the most dangerous situations you can face in winter. But here's the good news. With the right knowledge and strategies, you can survive and make it back to safety. In this video, we're diving into critical survival skills to help you stay calm, navigate the icy water, and get out alive. Let's jump in, but hopefully not literally. When you first fall through the ice, your body will react instantly with what's called cold shock. This is a natural response where your breathing becomes erratic and you may start to hyperventilate. It's crucial to override this instinct. Take slow, controlled breaths. Focus on steady breathing. By doing this, you not only conserve energy but also reduce your chances of inhaling water, which can be fatal. As soon as you're submerged, your priority is to stay afloat. Even if the initial shock has you disoriented, try to orient yourself upright and tread water. If you're wearing heavy gear like a backpack or skates, carefully remove them to make movement easier. However, keep your clothing on. It might seem counterintuitive, but wet clothes can trap air, giving you slight buoyancy. They also slow down heat loss, buying you precious time. Now, look around to locate the strongest ice. This is usually the direction you came from, as it held your weight before you fell through. Avoid darker, slushy, or cracked ice. It's weak and will likely break again. Move deliberately toward the stronger ice, keeping your focus on escape. To get out of the water, position yourself horizontally, facing the edge of the ice. Spread your arms on the ice to distribute your weight. Kick your legs hard, like you're swimming freestyle, to propel your body forward. Use your forearms and elbows to grip the ice and slide yourself onto it. Think of how a seal moves. This technique minimizes pressure on any single point, reducing the risk of the ice breaking further. Once you've made it out of the water, resist the urge to stand up. Standing concentrates your weight on a small area and can lead to another break. Instead, roll away from the hole. Keep your body flat and spread out your weight as you move toward thicker, safer ice or solid ground. Now that you're out, the fight isn't over. Hypothermia can set in quickly. Remove your wet clothing as soon as possible and replace it with dry layers if you have them. If not, wrap yourself in blankets or use body heat from someone else to warm up gradually. Sip warm, not hot, liquids to gently raise your core temperature. Avoid extreme heating methods like a hot shower, which can shock your system. One of the best ways to survive a fall is to prevent it in the first place or be ready when it happens. Carrying ice picks, a whistle, or a small rope can make all the difference. Ice picks, in particular, are lifesavers, giving you traction to pull yourself out. To sum up, if you fall through ice, stay calm and focus on controlling your breathing. Shed heavy items, but keep your clothes on for insulation. Identify the direction of the strongest ice. Get horizontal, kick, and pull yourself out using a seal-like motion. Roll away to safer ground, and avoid standing immediately. Warm up gradually to combat hypothermia. Ice can be deceptively dangerous, but preparation and knowledge are your best defense. Always check ice conditions before venturing out. Carry basic safety tools like ice picks and let someone know where you're going. Practice these techniques in a controlled environment to build your confidence. And don't forget to share this video with friends and family. It might just save a life. Winter adventures are meant to be enjoyed safely, and with these tips, you'll be ready to handle anything nature throws at you. Stay safe out there, and remember, survival is about staying calm, thinking clearly, and acting decisively. See you in the next video.